Hi, this is Bob from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff. And if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit that subscribe and bell button to be notified of our newest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to this week's episode of the Rugged Rundown. This week, as I did last week, we are going to talk about more Durabooks. Durabook has been kind enough to send us down some units to review for them. So I'm going to be running through their paces, but today we're going to do simply the unboxing. I want to show you what you get when you do order one. And today we're going to talk about the U11 tablet from Durabook. So coming out of the box, it's their standard looking box, nothing fancy. The tablet comes in like this. Now I got to tell you, and we've talked about tablets in the past. We've talked about the Dell tablet, the 7202, 7204, that type of thing. We also talked about the FZ-G1 from Panasonic, and we've even talked about the Geetac F110. So how does this look as compared to those units? And just off the top, this thing is a bit larger. The weight is probably comparable. I will say the F110 and the FZ-G1 is lighter, but it's also smaller. When it comes out of the box, of course, there's no battery installed. There's a number of upgrades that I understand you can get for this. One of the upgrades that I really liked that I saw on this unit was the detachable keyboard. So you almost get the same kind of unit that you would have like the hybrid CF33. However, it only ships as a tablet straight out of the box. You'd have to buy the extra upgrade. Let's take a look and see what kind of accessories we get with it. Of course, here's the famous brown box. And let's see what we got. Maybe. So here we have the battery. Now the battery looks like it's nice and flat. It's probably a standard battery. I'll have to get the battery life that they say you can get out of this tablet, and that'll be part of my other videos that I do with this unit. And of course, it looks to be the AC adapter, standard AC adapter that Durabook typically ships with their units. Seems like the tablet itself has all the ports that you would expect. Let's take a look here because I was interested to see what ports come standard on this thing. And they have the standard Durabook style port covers, but we've got some interesting stuff here. We've got the power port, and over here we've got the NIC, which is an interesting addition to your FZ-G1. Doesn't come standard with a NIC. Also has a USB 3.0, and also there is your SIM card slot is right there, which is nice. And on the other side we have a smart card reader. So we have a smart card reader as an upgrade on this side. There is a pin that's held right here on the side, looks like. So you have your stylus pen, and of course it's nice and compact. And then they got little hooks here. It looks like that you could put a strap to carry this thing over your shoulder and that sort of thing, although no strap was included. I will note that. It also has a rear-facing camera right here and a front-facing camera here. So you'll be able to take pictures or selfies or whatever you might like. I like the size of the screen. This makes for a nice, solid tablet. Comparison of the other three tablets we've talked about, this is lighter weight than your Dell. It is slightly heavier than the FZ-G1, although it is bigger, and it's slightly heavier than your F110. So out of the box, I'm liking it, but future videos, I'll show you what I like and don't like about this thing. So until next week, we'll be seeing you.